The best time to hire a lawyer if you're charged with a DUI or a criminal charge at all is obviously right after arrest. But often that's hard to do because, you don't have access to a telephone and you may only get one phone call. And you're probably using that phone call to call your family to get out of jail. But if we can get involved early, that's when we can assert all your rights, make sure you keep your mouth shut, and most importantly, come to your bond hearing for you. Now, the bond hearing, they're going to happen either at the city level, at the city jail, or they may be at J. Reuben Long in our main jail here in the county. But obviously, we can appear for you and assert all your constitutional rights and make sure you're adequately protected. Most clients will go ahead and try to do that on their own, and then they're contacting the lovely law firm once they're out of jail and before that first court hearing. Now, the first court hearing is generally 4 to 5 weeks for a misdemeanor case. If it's a felony case, you'll have roll call, then your bond returnable. But we can make all those appearances for you, once we get involved. Now, probably 20% of my clients will try to go to court on their own. And then when they realize that, hey, they charged you and they're not going to throw it away, that's when we get that phone call. Those cases are a little more tough as far, from a criminal defense attorney's standpoint, but we can still handle it for you. If this has happened to you or a loved one, call us, talk to myself, talk to my partner, Amy Lawrence. We work as a team on these cases. We know the players. We have the relationships here in Horry County. Give me a call, 843-839-4111.
When life gets ugly, justice